Hello friends, welcome to Creative Civil Engineering videos. In this video I will show you how to make site plan drawing from the trace paper. Let's open AutoCAD. Friends, site plan is compulsory required in municipal drawing of building. Generally, site plan is prepared by the site survey. It is the accurate method to prepare site plan, but sometimes we have to prepare site map without field data. In that case we follow this process. First of all, we will require one accurately scanned trace paper. So let's start. First of all, we have to set unit, give unit command. We will set in architecture unit, precision will be 1/8 inch. This will be also in inches. Okay, we have set our unit. Then we will attach our trace paper. I will show you the trace paper which we are going to attach in this AutoCAD. This is trace paper. This is one of my office trace paper. It is a Pilachi site on which we are currently working. I will take this kita number 1217 and 18 to make site plan. So let us attach this trace paper in AutoCAD. Go to insert menu, go to attach and locate your trace paper location. This is our Pilachi trace paper, so select it, open, OK. We will select it on the screen. Zoom out it. So friends, we have attached our trace paper in AutoCAD. Now we are going to draw site plan. Go to our menu. Our layer is zero layer. Friend, this is in A4 paper. This trace paper is in A4 paper. We know the size of A4 paper. We know the size of A4 paper. This is the size of A4 paper. Cancel. The size of this trace paper is A4 and scale is 1:500. You can see here, this is the scale of this trace paper, 1:500. It means 5 unit of field is equal to 1 unit of this paper. We know the dimension of A4 paper, 210 by 297 mm. Since our unit is in inch, so we will convert it into inch. We know that 1 inch is equal to 24.4 mm. So we will divide this dimension by 25.4 mm. So we will get this mm dimension into inch dimension. After getting this dimension into inch, we will multiply it by 500 because the trace paper is in the scale of 1:500. This dimension will be multiplied both x-axis and both y-axis of the paper, so that it will turn into 1:1. That means the trace paper will be turned into field like field. It will give the dimension of the real field. So let's begin. Friends, our final dimension is this 4130 inch by 5845 inch. We will draw two lines of this in the x-axis and the y-axis. This is 130 inch is in the x-axis and 5845 inch in y-axis. So let us draw two lines. Please on ortho mode. 4130. inch. Escape. Four thousand one hundred 30. Similarly, we will draw line in y-axis. Five thousand 845. 5845. So friend, we will copy this. Okay. Now we will align this trace paper to this. First of all, select this trace paper. Give command align. Enter as come. Okay, it has been aligned to this size. Now it has been turned into 1:1. Friends, generally this method is not accurate method. We don't use generally. We use field data to prepare site plan. So now we are going to draw this 1217 and 1218. Select polyline. Now draw on this boundary of this plot. You have to draw this line very carefully, otherwise error will come. Okay friend, we have completed. Now we will check this whether it is correct or not. Friends, we have drawn the same plot from the field data previously. So its area is 732.45 square feet. We will match this area to this area. So to calculate area, give list command. Select this polyline. Okay friends, this is giving 687. It means that Control C. This is our accurate area from field measurement, and this is the area which we have find out from the trace paper. It is not vast difference but little bit, so it's okay. I have already told you that it is not accurate method, but sometimes we need to draw site plan, because in the municipal drawing it's very compulsory. Friend, we have completed our site plan. So now we don't need this trace paper, so we will select it and delete it. Delete also this line. This is our required site plan. For today, this much only friend. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks.